We understand that not all facilities' requirements, budgets, or processes are the same. Simple Green's industry-specific products are designed to deliver performance, cost savings, and safety while also providing the versatility and customization you require to meet your specific facility needs. Products recommended for use in food processing, packaging, and service facilities are either independently certified by NSF International or registered with the EPA. Crystal Simple Green is a powerful industrial-strength cleaner and degreaser that can be utilized widely in food processing, packaging, and service facilities. The orally non-toxic formula contains no color or scent, is clean rinsing, and biodegradable. It's safe for use on all washable surfaces, making it perfect for general maintenance of floors, walls, counters, and more. It eliminates thick grease, fats, carbons, starches, and sugars without heavy scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Its non-abrasive, non-corrosive, and non-flammable qualities make it ideal for keeping ovens, fryers, and kettles free of grease and organic soils that can impact performance and food quality. It also easily cuts through built-up grime that can slow down conveyors, rollers, and flumes without damage to sensitive plastics or rubbers. The liquid concentrate can be used manually or with a variety of cleaning equipment. It can be used for floor scrubbing and carpet cleaning throughout your facility, with foamers or deep cleaning food storage facilities, in pressure washers for cleaning loading docks and dumpsters, or in parts washers for maintenance of food contact equipment. It can also be used as a laundry pre-treat and soak to remove heavy grease and stains from fabric. Crystal Simple Green also comes in an aerosol foam, which clings to surfaces, enabling controlled application and longer contact time on soiled areas. The foam is ideal for removing grime, lubricants, and other soils from vertical and difficult-to-reach areas like fillers, shrink funnels, and labelers. Crystal Simple Green also serves as the cleaning agent in our safety towels. These larger-sized heavy-duty wipes feature a non-abrasive scoring side for tough scrubbing and a smooth side for shining. The wipes feature excellent wicking and fluid capacity for cleaning liquid spills. They are perfect for quickly handling daily messes on painted surfaces, finished wood, tile, porcelain, stone, concrete, carpet, and more. For sanitizing and disinfecting, we offer Simple Green D-Pro 5 one-step disinfectant. The highly versatile concentrate is a cleaner, deodorizer, sanitizer, disinfectant, viricide, fungicide, and mildew stat in one. Use it to sanitize dishware, mixers, sorters, cutting boards, countertops, and other hard, non-porous surfaces. It disinfects and deodorizes non-food contact surfaces such as floors and walls, and high-traffic areas like restrooms and changing areas, while preventing mold and mildew growth and preventing the spread of numerous pathogens, foodborne or otherwise. The disinfectant is a hospital-grade EPA-registered formula that is broad-spectrum, bloodborne pathogen compliant, and meets U.S. Public Health Services recommendations for food contact surface sanitizing. For metal polishing, Simple Green Stainless Steel One-Step Cleaner and Polish provides an orally non-toxic option that cleans, polishes, and protects in one easy, no-wait step. Also safe for use on chrome, brass, copper, and other metals. It quickly removes fingerprints, watermarks, and stains using an advanced polymer technology that actually creates a barrier to help resist future marks and smudging, leaving your appliances, display cases, and other metal surfaces looking cleaner longer. Keeping those appliances in good working order is also critical to your facility's success, which is why we developed Simple Green Foaming Coil Cleaner in both liquid and aerosol versions. It quickly penetrates to remove the dirt, grease, and grime that can clog mechanisms, impede heat transfer, or otherwise keep equipment from optimum performance. The foam clings to even the most hard-to-reach areas and is self-rinsing on condensate-producing coils, making application quick and simple. It's also non-corrosive and non-flammable, eliminating overspray concerns on typical building and roofing materials when servicing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. In addition to our cleaning and disinfecting products, we also offer a complete line of equipment and accessories, including proportioners, foamers, and parts washers to help meet your cleaning and maintenance needs. We trust the performance of our products and back each with a 100% money-back guarantee.